for this question, we are given that we're to write an equation that is parallel to this line and that contains this point. And so our basic thing that we're doing here when we're trying to find the equation of a line is we need a slope and we need a point. So here's our point, and then since we know our line is going to be parallel to this line, I'm going to get this solved around into y equals mx plus b so I can see what the slope would be. So let me subtract 2x from both sides. This is sort of on the road to getting y by itself there. So now I have negative y equals negative 2x plus 1. And then I'm going to multiply both sides by negative 1 so as to get this to be positive y equals, and then I'm in y equals mx plus b. And so then doing that, now I have y equals, that would be a positive 2x, and then negative 1. So in this case, m is 2, and so m parallel is also 2, because for slopes to be parallel, they have to be the same. And then in the event this had been perpendicular instead of parallel, remember for perpendicular, and that's m with a little perpendicular sign there, that's that upside down t. The current slope is 2 over 1, so remember that we take the reciprocal of that with the opposite sign. So if it had been a problem where it said perpendicular, we would do the exact same next steps, but with this slope. But we're not, but that's what we would do. So our slope is, we're going to call that a plane 2 and get that 1 out of there. So our slope is 2, and then this is our point, so I can do y equals mx plus b, and we know that y is 0, m is 2, x is negative 1, and that allows us to get b. So negative 2 plus b, kick that over, and it looks like b equals 2. So our equation for our line parallel to this going through that point would be y equals, slope parallel was 2x and then plus 2. You could also, so this is totally great, if you preferred point slope form, I'll just show that way too since I'm here. And that one's the y minus y1 equals m, and then x minus x1. And it does not matter which way you get there. So if you have a preference to one or the other, use it. So here, again, this is still our xy. So this is y minus 0 equals m was 2, and then x minus negative 1. So minus negative 1, I'm going to write that as plus 1 because I'm almost out of room. So y minus 0 is just y, and then 2x plus 2. So same answer either way. Hopefully that helps.